Welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix this can't add audio, please try again on your Instagram. So if you're having trouble with this error like this on your Instagram when you're uploading some videos, the main reason actually is that your video is on 4K or 8K video, because sometimes it will show up this error when you have that kind of video. So all you have to do to fix this one is to compress that video on your mobile phone. So all you're gonna do is go to your gallery and find that video right here. So if you have having this Android phone, Android device, well, you have that setting. So just go right here and tap this three dots, the bottom right corner, and then or you need to find out on your mobile phone, which is the compressed video right here. But in this case, as you can see, video compression isn't supported for this format. So as you can see right here, if it's not available because it has a high resolution, I recommend you to download a video editor on Play Store. So go to your Google Play Store, and then you'll just find here video editor. So for example, I want to download CapCut. So just download or install this application right here. So once you've downloaded this one, so go ahead to your CapCut and then tap this new project right here, and then find that video in your gallery and then tap on add. And as you can see right here, footage processing automatically compressed to 1080p for imported video higher than 1080p. So it is automatically compress your video right here. Then after you compress that video, you can see at the top you can edit this video quality to 720p right here. So in this kind of video, you can now upload it to your Instagram. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.